It often happens that we work with multiple datasets that have a similar structure and properties. This means they contain recurring variables, descriptions, formats, and similar elements. In PS IMAGO PRO, there is a feature that allows you to transfer not only the properties of a single variable, but also the entire analytical dataset. This can save a lot of time, which can then be devoted to other tasks. In the dataset survey, we have a set of undescribed variables. Since these data come from a cyclically performed survey, we can take advantage of the work previously done and transfer the existing variable descriptions from another file. To do this, select the Copy Data Properties option from the Data menu. Then, use the Browse button to select the file survey description and click Next. Since both datasets contain the same list of variables, consistent in name and type, the program suggests transferring the properties of all of them. Of course, we always have the option to manually select which properties we want to copy. In the next step of the wizard, specify the list of variable properties to be transferred between the datasets. Since we do not want to transfer the measurement level of the variables between the datasets, we uncheck it from the list. For the value labels, we can choose whether this property should be overwritten or merged with the existing one. As the sample dataset does not contain any additional objects, such as multiple response sets or variable sets, all options in the next step of the wizard are inactive. To execute the command that copies the dataset properties, leave the default option. Execute the command in the last step of the wizard selected and click Finish. The result of our action is the appearance of the data descriptions for the variables we specified at the beginning of working with the wizard. Remember that every action performed through the program interface can be transformed into syntax using the Paste button. This allows, for example, quick modifications of executed procedures by editing the file path or the list of variables to be described. This automation can significantly streamline the data preparation process for analysis.